Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this, putting text to path. In that video, I used a line. In this video, I'm going to do a little bit different. I'm going to, and this would really work better if all the letters were caps. And I started thinking all the other letters in the graphic are capital letters. So the envelope tool works a lot better if it is all caps. So what we're going to do, we're going to make an envelope. So we're going to take a 2-point line, and we need to draw it somewhere about right in here, and I'm going to hold down the control button. So well, that didn't work. You need to start moving it first and then hold down the control button, and then you get a perfect line. Now, you could see that it's a little bit off there. I'm trying to avoid this area right in here. So I'm just going to hit the plus key, and I'm going to move it to about the same distance. And if you were doing it for real, you'd want to measure. And then take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in. Now we're going to nudge that over, and I'm going to left click, right click. I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour because this is pretty small. I'm going to contour 0.03 to the inside with rounded corners. Then I get that. I normally would have to break that apart, but I'm just going to fill it in and move it over. And then I'm going to left click, right click, and get the outline. Now I'm going to go to Effects and open up the envelope docker. I'm going to use vertical, and I'm going to, first of all, I have to select my text, and then go right here to create an envelope form, hit enter. And it looks like a bunch of mess because of the fact that it had all these nodes, but you can see that's pretty good. Now select it, shift select your envelope form, and then hit EC, and it put it right in that form. And then all you have to do is nudge this over. Now, I think it looks just as good as text to path. It might even look better because it's considering the top curve and the bottom curve. And this would kind of work if you had non-caps, but some of your letters might be distorted where this is perfect. And the good thing about this, you could keep going. And if you had a lot of them to do, and the good thing about it, you don't have to size your graphic like we did in the other one. So go to envelope form and put there. And then you've got that selected, shift select your box and hit EC. We'll go and move this out of the way. And then that way you could put your new name in that spot, and you could do them pretty fast. And you could just keep going. And then my suggestion, if you're going to do this, I would make a duplicate of that and move that up out of the way, and you'd have a new one and just take that out, put in a new name, and keep going. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.